Are you looking for the best drones under $50? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $50 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic Upgraded A20 Mini Drone. Potensic is one of the good brands that offers a decent quality of drones, especially the small ones that are meant for indoor fun. The color scheme and the build quality of both the drone and remote seem to be good enough to be handled by any kid. Also, the size is pretty tiny, so flying indoors is not a big deal. On a single battery, it can fly for about 6 minutes. However, if you choose to fly it on higher speeds using the adjustable 3-speed mode, the flying time may vary. On the other hand, it is pretty agile and easy to operate. In addition, your kid won't face any issues while flying this drone because of some helping features like altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and much more. Also, you get a warranty of 12 months on this product. Number 2. Q9s RC Drones for Kids. Q9s RC Drones for Kids. Q9s offers a high-quality drone with 4 propellers, which contain bright LEDs to entertain your kids while the drone is flying. You can even select among the 3 lighting modes for more fun. These 4 propellers are made of sturdy plastic, which also act as guards to prevent injuries to your kids while spinning them. Moreover, this plastic material makes sure the drone won't be damaged even after multiple falls. This drone works on 2 batteries and lets your kids fly the drone for 13 to 16 minutes each time. You control the direction and speed of the drone using the remote control. There are 3 speed settings, which you can choose depending on the area you are flying the drone. Number 3. Cheerwing Syma Quadcopter Drone. Cheerwing Store is one of the most reliable brands when it comes to affordable and advanced drones. This drone can be used both indoors and outdoors as per your requirements. This model is an upgraded version with advanced 720p HD Wi-Fi camera. So, you can take better aerial photos as well as videos. It comes with a real-time FPV transmission which lets you check the video through smartphone app. It features different speed modes, 3D flips and 2.4 GHz remote control system. This drone is suitable for both kids and beginners to pursue their interests. It has inbuilt gravity sensor which lets you fly the drone without touching the mobile screen. Because of ABS plastic material construction and protection propeller guards, this drone is durable and can withstand tough weather conditions. Number 4. Hand-operated drones. Are you looking for a toy drone that can keep your kid busy playing with? Well, this hand-controlled Force 1 Scoot drone will make him run around with it. As the name suggests, it does not come with any kind of remote controller. Apart from that, the small UFO kind of drone has several infrared sensors that detect your hand coming nearby and makes it move away from it. In this way, you can control it with your hand movements and play with it for almost 8 minutes. However, it takes 50 minutes to charge up again. To start flying this drone, just toss it gently in the air, and it will start hovering around you. The outer shell provides good protection to the propellers as well as to other objects in your home. Number 5. Holystone HS190 Mini Seed Drone. Next here on the list, we have another mini drone from Holystone that is the Holystone HS190, which comes in a very compact and foldable design, which makes it suitable to carry. The whole drone becomes so compact after folding that it fits in the small compartment given on its remote. Hence, it is pretty easy to carry along with you on picnics. But, due to its small design, the battery capacity is low, and it can fly for only 5 to 7 minutes on a single charge. However, for those 5 minutes, you can make it hover on a fixed altitude, and have fun with it. Apart from that, performing tricks like 360-degree circle can be easily done. In addition, it comes with all the beginner-friendly features like headless mode, one-key return, one-key takeoff/land as well.